Hello everybody, today we're doing a video for GTA car kits and we're installing Bluetooth into 2005 Toyota Sienna, which has our kit already. So what you have in the box with your Bluetooth is the actual Bluetooth module, which will attach to your existing GTA car kit if your GTA car kit is compatible for that. And then you're gonna get a microphone that you have to wire, and we're gonna show you right now, and a button that you have to wire out to control your Bluetooth with. The tools that you're gonna need for this installation are just some type of a clip removal tool or flathead screwdriver with tape over it. And we already have everything taken apart. So what we're gonna do right now is take this panel underneath the steering wheel apart and the vents on the left side. So we're gonna take our panel removal tool, put it between these two panels, and it will come down. Same on this side. We're gonna put it in and just drop this panel down. The next thing we're gonna do is take this air vent out. It's also held on clips. So you gotta wiggle it around and take it out. So there's this one clip over here which will bring out this panel around your cluster, but once you put the panel back, just push the cluster back in and it will go back in its place. Once you do that, you now have to remove the panel, the A-pillar, and we're gonna start from the top. Also just take our panel removal tool and remove it. Just like that. So now what you did is basically made a path. So from the back of the radio, we're gonna feed the microphone cable all the way to the A-pillar over here. So we'll show you how to feed this mic through. So we have to remove the radio, and we showed how to do it in our previous video for this car. And also the climate controls have to be removed. Once you remove the bolts, they come off pretty easy. So the mic end is the one that we're gonna use to fish, and this end we have to keep somewhere because we have to connect it to our module. So we're gonna just start feeding the microphone. So we're gonna drop it down, drop it here, and start feeding it. You can also tie it to your gear selector knob so you by mistake don't pull it. Now we're gonna pull it behind this metal panel over here. We're gonna go underneath the steering wheel, and all the space is open, so it's very easy to feed it over here. Then we're gonna go up. And we have our mic all the way here. So now I'll just show you approximately how it's gonna look. Of course you gotta do it a little bit slower and a little bit more neat. So we're gonna put the panel back. Make sure the cable doesn't get caught in the clips, and this is something that is gonna look like, this is where the mic is gonna be. You just have to properly put the panel back on its clips, and we suggest it to have the mic over here. So once you do the mic, the next thing you gotta do is feed this button. It's gonna be a little quicker because the button we're just gonna feed out through here. Put it over here, and now we have the button here. So we're gonna just put this panel underneath the steering wheel back, and you have your button over here. So once you do that, you just have to connect the two wires that you just push through to the little Bluetooth module. So there's gonna be a remote control, so this one will go with the 2 lines, and then you have the mic, that's the male end with 1 line. So we're gonna put it in, and now we're ready to test it. So now we're gonna test how everything works with Bluetooth. So we're gonna turn it to first position, turn our radio on. So this Bluetooth will only work when you're in the GTA Car Kit mode. It will not work throughout the whole radio. So you have to get to the GTA Car Kit mode, which on this car is CD1. So you have this 4-track 8 going, and as you can see here on the button, it's flashing rapidly. When it's flashing rapidly, that's when when you can connect to it. So we're gonna take our iPhone, and you can use any device that is Bluetooth compatible. So even an Android phone. So we have here GTA Car Kit, so we're gonna pair to it. So now it's connected. It gave you those 2 beeps, and now you can use it. So we're just gonna go, you can listen to music from your library or from your online radio. So we're just gonna go to our music library and just pick something to play. So as you can hear, we suggest to keep the volume of the phone at about 75%, and then control the volume from your radio. And it's pretty simple. So if you want to switch songs, you gotta use the controls of the phone. And if you get a phone call coming through, you're just gonna answer it either with the phone or either with this button. So when somebody calls you, you can just press the button, answer the phone call. Once the phone call is done, it's gonna resume playing the music that you have been playing. And that's pretty much it as to using Bluetooth. So again, this was a video for GTA Car Kits. I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you next time.